this example here has you subtracting two fractions with the same denominator. You'll notice we have z minus 7 and z minus 7. When the denominators are the same, all you do is subtract the numerator values, and then that goes in the top of your fraction, and your common denominator stays the same in the bottom. So you'll notice we have z minus 7 and z minus 7. I know my answer is going to have z minus 7 in the bottom also. And as for the top, you're just going to simply combine like terms. But in this case here, those two terms here are not like terms. So you're going to leave them separate as 2z squared minus 14z. Now as you look at your answer here, we're not finished because you'll notice there's a common factor of 2 that goes into both 2 and 14. There's also a common letter z that shows up in both terms also. So you're going to write down 2z and then make some parentheses, and then you'll have to figure out what you multiply 2z by to get 2z squared minus 14z. So here's how it works. You're going to take the 2z and say, what do you multiply 2z by to get 2z squared? And that would be z. Next, what do you multiply this 2z by to get the negative 14z? And that would be a negative 7. And that's what goes in the parentheses. But you're still not done because you've now factored the numerator and recognize now that you have a factor of z minus 7 on the top, and you also have a factor of z minus 7 on the bottom. Those are going to cross out, and as you cross those two out, you're left with just this 2z. So the final answer, when you're all said and done, is just 2z. Hopefully this video helps.